Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable message preview thumbnails for accessibility on the Bank of America mobile app, follow this quick guide to customize your notification settings. Step 1. Open the Bank of America mobile app on your device and sign in with your credentials, including your online ID and passcode. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon, typically 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Navigate to Settings or Profile and Settings from the menu options. Step 4. Look for Notifications or Communication Preferences within the Settings menu. Step 5. Within the Notification settings, find options related to message previews or notification content. Enable these to see message previews in your notifications. Step 6. For additional accessibility features, go to your device's main settings app rather than just the Bank of America app settings. Step 7. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Notifications, find Bank of America, and enable Show Previews. Set it to Always or When Unlocked based on your security preferences. Step 8. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps and Notifications, find Bank of America, tap Notifications, and enable notification previews or detailed content. Step 9. Test the settings by having the Bank of America app send you a notification to verify that message previews and thumbnails appear as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.